your girl. Use your imagination here. I'm tripping, right? Is it giving underage? Like, honey. Hi. I know I'm starting this vlog looking crazy, okay, but I literally just had an idea of a protective style that I wanted to try, and somebody has definitely tried it in YouTube, and so I'm trying to follow her YouTube tutorial on it. So I just washed my hair. It's deep conditioning right now, and I don't even have the hair to do the hair, so I'm about to go to the hair store while my hair is deep conditioning. Trying to kill two birds with one stone. I figured since I'm waiting anyway, might as well pick up the hair now. I was going to blow dry my hair first and then go get the hair when my hair blow dried out, but like, we all understand when we see each other in the hair store, don't talk about our appearance. But I'm gonna grab a hat. I'm gonna grab a hat, put a hat on, put some clothes on real quick, and go to the hair stores. But I hope my hair turns out good, because if not, then I'm gonna have to straighten it. So yeah. Happy Sunday, y'all. Y'all, I was so focused on trying to get the hair or find the hair that I completely forgot to take y'all in there with me. I'm sorry. But we got the hair. So the video said that I only needed 1 pack of the pre-stretched, what kind of hair is this? Water, whatever hair. And then, so I got 2 packs of those just in case. And then I just needed like some regular Kankalion braiding hair. So I got the hair that's $1. So I got 6 packs of that. But I will give you guys more information about the amount of hair that I actually ended up using and all that stuff in the actual video, if I end up making the actual video. So we are back. I'm about to wash this out, and I'll come back on here if it works out or it doesn't work out. But you probably already know that it did or it didn't, because like I said, if I posted the video, then it worked out, we good. But if I didn't, well then, if I didn't and I didn't post the video, I guess you wouldn't know, but whatever. Good morning. Today is a go into office work day for me, unfortunately. So I'm getting myself together to go to work. It's like 30 degrees, 40 degrees when we wake up, and then later on the day it's 70. Like, this is legit flu weather. My cat this morning was banging on both me and my son's door. Like, I had to lock her up because that's unacceptable. Okay, I think we are ready. Oh, honey. Okay, for those of you who do not know, okay, your girl is a part of Rihanna Navy, and they said on Friday baby girl is gonna be dropping 2 songs, so I'm excited. So in honor of I did my Fenty mask. Okay. Oh, you know what I got this weekend? I got some new makeup, and it's from Fenty. Super excited about it. I just can't wait to like play around more in makeup. But I got a Fenty matchstick for contouring. Y'all know how whenever I do my like makeup and stuff like that, I be like, I don't contour. Okay, your girl is gonna learn. Okay, your girl's gonna try. And I got me a contour shade. I got it in the color Truffle. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I'm excited about it, honey. So one of these days I'm gonna play around in my makeup and I'm gonna use this. But look at the color. It looks really good. Like against my skin, honey, that's gonna snatch your girl. What? Hello, good people. What's up? What do I have going on for the rest of this vlog, y'all? This is the last Vlogtober vlog. Like, and I was debating if I was even gonna do this week, being that November 1st is on Tuesday. But I was like, let me just go ahead and do it. Okay. My hair is so heavy, like it's so freaking heavy, and so I'm trying to decide when I'm gonna take them out. I think I'm gonna take them out tonight, or maybe I'll wait until after my son's game tomorrow and take them out. I don't know, like they're just so heavy. But I want to do something else to my hair, something I know that's gonna last. And one thing's for sure, I love this texture of this hair from Free Trust. It's these pre-puff braids or whatever. I love the texture of this, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do twists with this texture of hair. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And twists typically take me about 5 or 6 hours to do, so I think that I can knock this out. I think I can knock this out Saturday, which is tomorrow. So today I'm working from home. I have a wax appointment. Child, it's been like 2 months. Okay, use your imagination here. Too much. And my son has like a dance at his school or whatever, but he can't like go to the dance by himself. An adult has to take him or whatever. So me and his dad is going to take him to his first little school dance. Y'all, we're so excited. Not sure if I mentioned this in my vlog, but this hair is so heavy. Like, it is so heavy, y'all. I can't take it. So what I'm doing, okay, it's not even been a week yet. What I am doing is taking them out. Basically, I am taking them out, and I'm not gonna wash or like redo the parts or anything like that. I'm taking them out one by one and putting like smaller twists in here. But what I have realized is that I love this curly hair. Love this curly hair so very much. So I'm gonna use, I bought some more of the curly hair, and I'm gonna use that for the style. I'm thinking it's gonna come out like passion twist, basically. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Also, I'm doing a terrible job vlogging. We've done so much, and then I always be like, oh, I forgot. Like, we went to the dance at my son's school, and we had a great time. We took a couple pictures. So what my son failed to mention was that it was gonna be like a Halloween dance. So like all of the kids, well, most of the kids came in Halloween costumes. So you got like most of the kids in Halloween costumes, then you got kids in like suit and ties, and then you have kids that are wearing like regular clothes that they probably either wore to school that day or, you know, just regular clothes. So yeah, my son was dressed, I'll put a picture up, but my son was dressed, you know, cool, cute, you know, nothing crazy. So today my son had a back-to-back games, and the second team was undefeated. Boy, oh boy, that was a good game. That was a good game. I got a couple clips. I'll put it in so that y'all can see that. But that's pretty much all I got as far as footage, because I'm not doing a good job with recording. Yeah, so this is what the twist is looking like. So that's the first and only one. Also, I'm not doing like a separate video for this because it's just a lot of work. It's just a lot of work. I think I'm gonna make like a reel or something. A reel or a YouTube short, because I can't let a hairstyle go to waste, you know what I mean? Yeah. Not really sure how long I've been braiding, but I have more than, no, I have about half. I have about half done. I just have to do these middle ones here, but the back is mostly done. And like I said, I'm just taking out the bigger braids as I go. That way I can keep the parts, and then I am doing like mini parts within the bigger braids. Does that make sense? Update. We tired. We are tired. Like, don't think I'm finishing it tonight. I might. I still have time. It's only like 7:30. I'm tripping, right? Okay, y'all. So I am finished with my hair. I will take it down and show y'all when I get better lighting. But I forgot to tell y'all, I voted early. Where my son's games be at, they have like a voting thing. So in between his games, we were like, let's just go vote real quick. So here's my sticker, because the girls be saying, if you don't have your sticker, did you really vote? Whatever. I was walking up to the thing, and you know how there's people outside like giving out the little cards or whatever to tell you like who's all the black people on the ballot, all the Democrats, all of that, you know. And so yeah, so they was reaching out to give my mom one, and the lady looks at me and she was like, hey, are you old enough to vote? And I was like, is it giving underage? Like, is it giving underage? Mama, I'm 30. Thank you. Give me one of those. Like, oh, I voted early, yay me. It's the next morning. Good morning, you guys. I'm actually done with editing this video that you're watching like right now. I edited at like 4 o'clock in the morning and I am going to be posting the video literally the day that I'm filming this, which has never happened for me. Okay, I'll typically have my videos ready the night before, at least maybe a week or two, a month before, you know what I mean? But I actually had to come back on here to show y'all my hair. And I love recording like in the daytime, in the morning in my house, because it's just so well lit and not overexposed, and the natural lighting in here is just perfect. Okay. It came out so cute. I did it so that I can wear it like as a middle part. It's really curly and really springy. If you ever had passion twist, that's basically what it's giving, but they're just a lot shorter than regular passion twist, which is great. I haven't been able to do like super short passion twist before because my hair was a lot longer, but now that I have this bob cut, it is easier to do. I did this cute hairstyle on the the YouTube short that I made, and it was like half up, half down, 2 braids in the front. Super cute. Loved it. But I very much enjoy having it up in a bun. It's not heavy at all like that last hairstyle, child. That's why that last hairstyle had to go, because my neck was like really feeling it. But yeah, I love it. So this is actually my last weekly vlog for October. Not sure if I'm gonna do it for December or not. You're just gonna have to stay tuned, baby, and watch. But for November, I'm definitely not doing weekly vlogs. I'm going back to regular schedule, monthly vlogs it is, okay? But I really enjoyed doing weekly vlogs with you guys, and if you missed any of them, make sure that you go back and watch them, because October was filled with a lot of mess, a lot of stuff, a lot of just a lot. But I really appreciate you guys watching.